Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use free VPN. At first, go your browser and search Gmate for Chrome. And then show the web link and it show the Chrome web store, and you just add to Chrome and then click add extension. Wait until it's downloaded, then it's automatically installed. You just sign up, it's completely free. I have my account, so I just log in. So ID and password. Login completed. Let's log in and show it's active now. It's show the green icon, it means it's connected. It's connected. This is my real location and this is other location. I just change location to Romania, and you can change also Germany, Hong Kong, Romania, United States. Now check my IP address. First switch off to this green icon and search my IP address location. This is my real IP address and this is my address. IP information, it's showing Bangladesh. Now just turn it on and change to Romania. And now I change my IP address and again search my IP address location. This is a new one and this is new address. IP information is showing Romania. You can also change this location Romania to Hong Kong or United States or Germany. I change it United States. Let's see. And again search my IP address location. It takes some time, 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Then it's connected. It shows another IP address and it's showing another IP information is New York, United States. So my IP address is completely changed and this extension is totally free. You can use easily.